Thank you. How are y'all today?
Yes!
We're all cold. I'm not sure there ever was an actor as beloved as Betty White. Throughout her 70-plus years of entertaining people worldwide, she managed to be loved by everyone, something that not many performers attain, and she did so with a unique combination of wit, charm, and essential goodness. Her belief that life should be met with a positive attitude and thankfulness for just being alive on this planet. Think about that a second. Just being alive. Coming from Oak Park, she displayed the qualities that you find in so many Oak Parkers: optimism and love for their fellow man, and of course, an extreme love for animals. I know, because I lived here for over 25 years raising my family, because of those very qualities. I would like to say that we are all here today because we realize that to navigate our lives today requires that same attitude. We can live in fear and distrust of others, or we can embrace all life with the same love and compassion Betty served us with so faithfully for so many years. My new motto, and I hope you all consider this, in a world full of so much confusion and distrust, be like Betty. This is for you, my dear one. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you know, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. Okay, one more thing. Y'all want to sing that with me?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you know, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend.